it's Costello Great Missenden. Happy New Year. My first video where you can actually see me for a while, so it'd be nice to catch up. Today I'm making a just a spatchcock chicken. I'm going to put that on my UDS or Weber, I'm not sure yet because it's really windy outside, so I have to figure out which one I'm going to do in a second. It's going to be pretty spare at the moment, so we're going to find out. I've spatchcocked this chicken. It's a 1.4 kilogram bird, so just a little chook. It's going to cook in no time. I'm going to keep an eye on it with my Inkbird thermometer. Here. And then also probe it with my further pen as it gets closer. But I'm sure the Inkbird will do a jolly good job on its own. So let's get rubbing. Right, so my bird's all prepped. Now it's time to get the rub on. What I'm going to do is score the skin, I think, just to get that flavour in there really good, to make sure it's nice and tasty. So I've got a nice sharp knife. Just going to score the breast. And the leg and thigh. Spin around. Do the same on this side. There, you need a good sharp knife for this. Skin there, never mind, worse things happen. So then we go across the leg again. Not only will this help the flavour penetrate more, but it should reduce the cooking time a little bit as well. Maybe. So we'll have a look. Now I'm going to put a little bit of rub on it. I've got some beer can chicken rub from Not Just Barbecue. My wife got it for me for my birthday, which was a few months ago. It's a really tasty rub actually. I can recommend it. Available in most garden centres, I think. It's quite nice. Got a good smell to it, very sort of savoury rub, so it's just what you want. So if we get all of that on, it's good to season the inside. You're not going to be eating it, but it's going to, a nice light covering's not going to hurt it. Just to get a nice sort of covering on there. So it's all nice and delicious later on. I'm going to let this sit here now. I'll be back in a little while. Just going to fire one of the barbecues up. I'll let you know when I'm back. See you in a minute. Costello Great Missenden. Okay, so my decision has been made for me. The grill is nice and clean on my UDS, so I'm going to use a UDS to make spatchcock chicken, hot and fast, me rocking it around 300 degrees. So wait for this bad boy to light up and we get running. Hi, Costello Great Missenden here. It's 4 degrees, the smoker's rocking at, what's it going? Wait until it comes around on the Inkbird, 480. What I done was I put a bit of cherry on because I can, and it's nice. So cherry and chicken will be good. Get a nice colour on that. It's running really hot, so we should have some good crispy skin. Also, it's just cold. Got my barbecue sign over there, which was a present for my birthday. There's a lot of birthday mentions in this video, I'm sorry, but I love my missus and she's done a nice job. I'll show you my new lights, so hopefully things will be a little bit better lit because it's pretty dark out there. We have these up there, which is keeping us relatively well lit, I suppose. I'll show you the smoker. There we go, that's rocking. Let's see if we can pick something up on the... No, we can't get the gauge. Oh yeah, we can. There you go, bit of lava lock action. See you in a bit. Right, I've got some onions in the foil, cooking down. The pit looks pretty good. The chook says it's done. I want to check it with my thermopen, see what's going on. Right, so now we have the chicken inside. You can see it looks a bit of a beauty. I'm just going to double check with the thermopen, because you can never be too careful with chicken. Let's see what we got. Skin's nice and crispy. Oh yeah, that's done. That's one. That's at pit temperature. You can see where I've opened and closed it, checking on it and doing stuff. It's held pretty steady considering how hot it's been running. That's the chicken coming up, which is quite nice. And that's the breast coming up as well, which is quite cool. So at the moment we've got some onions with a rub and butter in, just cooking down. That'd be nice. I'll show you later on the final presentation. Okay, so here's my onions I done on the barbecue. I just put a bit of butter in there, a little bit of rub. As you can see, they're all melted down nicely and juicy. It's going to be really good as a side. Right, so here's the finished dinner. It was spatchcock chicken on a barbecue. We've got some onions on there which I put on, green beans and mash. It's all very tasty, and I hope you like the video. See you next time for Costello Great Missenden.